Hey guys, so finally I've got my Hero 11 GoPro camera. So I'm going to tell you what it consists of. This is the creator bundle, there are different accessories, and I'm going to tell you what was the launch date and what it cost me and what it is selling right now in Pakistani rupees. So let's start. This is the GoPro 11 which is launched in September 2022. अब इसको हम explore करेंगे. So first of all, it consists of a 32 GB micro SD card. और इस box के अंदर we have the handler. So this looks cool. It has some strap and it has a headband, which is definitely for some sport activity. This is a quick clip included and what it is used for. And definitely this is part of this headband or clipper. This comes along and must be used together. Acha. Then we have two batteries, one extra battery and one battery इन्होंने buy दी हुई है, which will be used within the camera. And finally, the GoPro 11. And this is the beast. So now we are done with the unboxing of GoPro 11 camera, and let's talk about the price now. I've got this for 450 euros, and this is, since it's a creator edition, it comes along with a lot of other accessories in addition to the camera. So I've also got the membership of GoPro Club, which adds another set of discount in the price. Otherwise it was far higher, and when I converted in Pakistani rupees, so ये मुझे पड़ा है around 1,03,000 rupees. It definitely depends on the conversion rate of the euro, which when I bought 3 weeks back it was much lesser. Now it's going a bit high. So in addition to all this information, I'm also going to guide you कि other retailers या sellers online and in some shops at what price they are selling. So market में सिर्फ इस camera की price is ranging from 1,30,000 to 1,50,000 rupees in Pakistan. So there's a different variation between the bigger brands, between the newcomers in the market. And when we talk about this kit, this creator edition is coming up to 2 lakh, which is like much higher than what I have bought. So definitely it gives you flexibility in terms of price and advantage when you buy things from other countries. So me bought it from Italy. It saves me some money. And if you guys want it, certainly do contact me. I'll pass on the links to the actual GoPro official website in the description below, so feel free to go ahead and explore. Currently the rate is almost same at what I bought it, but I won't give you guarantee on any rates or comparison out there in Pakistan or even in on the official GoPro. It might change what I'm telling you right now. The upcoming videos which I'll be shooting with this camera, I'll definitely share you guys the results and what's the picture quality, video quality of the camera. So stay tuned and keep watching.